If your roof leaks, cracks, or ages way too fast, you might be falling victim to one of these common tile installation mistakes. But don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm Max Build, a construction expert, and today I'm going to show you how to spot these problems and, more importantly, how to fix them like a pro. We'll turn that roofing headache into a solid, reliable overhead shield. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most common mistakes I see out in the field. Topping the list is misaligned tiles. When tiles aren't laid out straight, it's not just a cosmetic issue. It creates uneven pressure points and messes up the way water is supposed to flow, leading to pooling and leaks. Another huge one is poor or even non-existent underlayment. Think of the underlayment as your roof's last line of defense. If it's low quality or missing, moisture will seep right through, causing rot and structural damage that's invisible from the outside until it's too late. Then there's incorrect overlap. Roof tiles are designed to interlock perfectly, creating a watertight seal. If they aren't overlapped by the right amount, wind-driven rain can easily get underneath. It's like leaving a window slightly open during a storm. I also see people using incompatible materials, like trying to mix clay and concrete tiles. They expand and contract at different rates, which will inevitably lead to cracks and gaps. Lastly, a big no-no is skipping ventilation or drainage. A roof needs to breathe. Without proper airflow, heat and moisture get trapped, which can seriously degrade your roofing materials. Seriously, even just one of these mistakes can cut your roof's lifespan in half. Coming up next, I'm going to share the expert fixes you can apply, even if your roof is already built. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's get into the solutions. Whether you're preventing future issues or fixing current ones, these tips are gold. First, always insist on a high-quality, breathable, waterproof underlayment for any tile roof. It's a non-negotiable component that provides crucial protection. When laying tiles, follow the manufacturer's alignment guides to the letter. They have specific instructions for a reason. For securing the tiles, consider using a flexible roofing adhesive alongside traditional fixing methods. Unlike a rigid cement-only application, this allows for slight movement as the house settles and temperatures change, preventing cracks. Now, for maintenance, you've got to be proactive. Inspect your roof every 6 months and always after a heavy storm or strong winds. Look for any tiles that have shifted, cracked, or broken. And if you find a cracked tile, replace it immediately. It's a small fix that prevents a much bigger problem because water that gets through one crack can spread and cause extensive damage underneath. Finally, let's cover some pro tips for long-term durability. It starts with choosing the right roof tile for your climate. Some roof tiles are better for intense heat, others for heavy rain or humidity. Do your homework and pick one that's suited to your local weather. When you do need to get on the roof for inspection or cleaning, never walk directly on the roof tiles. Always use a roof ladder to distribute your weight evenly and avoid causing cracks. And speaking of cleaning, make sure your gutters and ridges are cleared regularly. Clogged gutters cause water to back up under the eaves, leading to moisture buildup and rot. A little maintenance goes a long, long way. Doing your roofing right the first time can literally save you thousands of dollars down the line. If this video helped you out, do me a favor and hit that like button, share it with a friend who might be planning a project, and of course, subscribe for more practical construction insights from the field. And remember, a beautiful, long-lasting roof always starts with smart installation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.